In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove transaction history from HBL app. If you're using the HBL mobile app and are looking for a way to remove or hide your transaction history, it's important to understand how banking apps generally work. HBL, like most banks, does not allow customers to permanently delete or erase transaction history from their system. All your transactions are securely recorded and stored in compliance with banking regulations, which means that your history is there for legal, financial, and audit purposes. However, while you can't delete this data, there are a few things you can do to manage your privacy and how the app displays your information. One approach is to clear locally stored data on your phone. This won't remove the transaction history from HBL servers, but it can remove temporary files or cached information from your device. To do this, you can uninstall and reinstall the HBL app. On Android, you can go to your phone's settings. Now, click on App Management. In here, press on App Settings. Find the HBL app. Click on it. In here, clear the cache and storage data. When you log back in, the app will refresh all the information from the bank's servers, and local traces such as quick views or temporary login sessions will be cleared. This doesn't affect your actual records, but can improve privacy on shared or public devices. If you're trying to simplify what you see in the app, HBL usually offers some in-app options to filter transactions. You might be able to view history by date, range, or transaction type, which can help reduce visual clutter without deleting anything. While this won't hide your activity from the bank, it can help you feel more organized when managing your account. In summary, while you can't erase transaction history on the HBL app, you can control how it's displayed and how much of it is temporarily stored on your device. Always make sure your device is secure, especially if other people have access to it. And if you have privacy concerns that go beyond display settings, the bank's customer support can offer further clarity. Thank you for watching this video.